Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if your folder opening to read-only mode on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue that your folder or files opening as read-only only, then here are the fixes. Open File Explorer by pressing Win plus E shortcut key, and here go to your problematic folder having issues. Right click on it and choose Properties. Go to the folder having issues, right click on it and choose Properties. Here go to Security tab from the top menu bar, and here make sure that full control is enabled or permitted for users specified on your system. If you found full control is not permitted, then click on Edit button to change permissions. Click on Edit and make the check against option against select your users and make the check against full control and click on Apply and OK to save the changes and check whether folder is still opening read only or resolved your issue. If not, then go to the next fixes, close or minimize the windows, and right click on a Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error or folders related issue, so you must update your OS. After that, check folder issues resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to Privacy and Security. Click on it. Thereafter, go to right side and here click on Windows Security. Here choose Virus and Threat Protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and go to Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings link. Here scroll down and you will find the option, scroll down, Controlled Folder Access. Manage Controlled Folder Access. Click on this link and scroll down and disable this feature. Protect files, folders, and memories areas on your device from unauthorized changes. Disable this feature. Controlled folder access. Disable this feature from your Windows security page. And check whether your folder is still opening on read-only mode or not. If not, go to the next fixes. You don't forget to restart your system after disabling controlled folder access feature. After restarting your system, check whether your folder problem issues resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a Start button and choose Run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box and here type msconfig, msconfig and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows in your system. Here from the top menu bar, click on Services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner. Thereafter go to bottom right corner and choose disable all. Clean boot your system. This process will clean boot your system. After that, go to a startup tab and open Task Manager. All the startup apps will visible here. Look for any startup apps enabled in your system and manually disable this. Right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. Manually disable all it. After that, choose Apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your folder is read only still opening on read only mode. Go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD and open Command Prompt Windows. Run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute this 3 DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after that, execute the command sfc scan now. type sfc/scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files, and after that wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully execution of sfc scan now, don't forget to restart your system. Your folder issue definitely resolved.